How to schedule a post on Instagram. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Instagram. Make sure your Instagram is professional account as schedule post is only available in the professional account. Click on the plus button at the bottom. Then select the pictures you want to post and press on next at the top right. Press on next again at the bottom right corner of your screen. Then in here, click on More Options at the bottom. In the More Options section, click on Schedule this post. Click on Continue Scheduling. Then select the date and time you want it to schedule as. After done, press on Done. And then go back and press on Schedule at the bottom. After that, it will be scheduled. To see your schedule post, what you can do is go to your profile, click on three lines at the top right corner of your screen. After you've clicked on three lines, in here scroll down to schedule content. Here you'll find all your schedule contents. This is how to schedule post on Instagram. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.